Alright, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is demo. And I know a lot of people know how to do a lot of this, but I know there's somebody watching this that doesn't. So the first thing I'm going to do is demo the vanity, then the toilet, and then the shower, just so that the progression of everything when I'm walking out, more room is what I'm shooting for. So the vanity, let's start there. When you're demoing the vanity, you'll get under here, and if it's installed correctly, you will have a P-trap, and you will have two shutoff valves. First thing I'm going to do, that valve's going to need replacing. But you want to cut off the valves. Look there. Both of those valves need replacing. Just going to cut those off, and then your hoses, you'll disconnect here and here. It's just a screw fitting. Now, some houses will have copper under here, and there may not be a shutoff valve, and there will be a fitting up here that you'll have to disconnect. And then you got your tailpiece here. There's a nut right here, so you want to take him off. And normally, these are not hard. These are not hard piped in. Usually there'll be another nut here that you can take off, and you can pull the whole trap off. What I'm actually going to do is cut mine, because I'm going to do a S-trap here, you know, an easy disconnect S-trap that'll have fit like this all the way. So first we're going to do that. So once you get finished, you should be left with something like this. Here's your tailpiece. See, we've got our hoses disconnected. While we're down here, what we're going to look at is, so they put, whoever put these valves on after the vanity was put in, because see, obviously these valves are not fitting through these holes. So what we'll need to do is cut us a square out right here so that we can pull the vanity without damaging our pipes. Now, if you know, like I do, that I have to replace these two valves, I'm gonna go ahead and just cut my line right there and cap him so that I can pull them off. But while you're under here, what you want to go ahead and do, see right there, that's a screw, and there's another one right there. That's what's holding my vanity to the wall. So I'll go ahead and unscrew those two so that when I'm ready, once I'm done cutting this out, when I'm ready, I can just pull the vanity off the wall. Sometimes, if it's in a corner, there'll be screws somewhere on this wall also. Mine does not have it, but when you're demoing, that'll be something you look for. Just so you know what I was talking about with the holes, see, I just cut a square out so that I can pull my vanity. So we've gotten our hoses and our P-trap disconnected. A lot of times these guys are glued. The top is glued to the bottom. I don't know. Look at that. Mine is not. If it is, you would need this flat bone hammer. You can drive it up and you pry him off. So what I'm gonna do now is pull him out like so. We'll set him aside. And then what I was talking about is here is where those screws are. I'm just going to back them out. Then I'm going to cut me a small hole down there to get my pipes out, and then I can pull the vanity. And then we're just going to lift him up just like that. And there you go. We demoed our vanity. That's how you demo a vanity. Stay tuned for the next to be toilet. And until next time, keep making dust.